There is one query about Hydra facial. What products should we use? So I talk about all the positive of Hydra facial, and I'll talk about the step by step. So we have a Hydra facial with us. This is a Lavivo Hydra facial. In this, we have pouches, different pouches. We have this separate pouches. This we have, and in this we have 7 pouches in this, number 1 to 7, and every number 1 to 7 will by step we'll going to you just understand. In this process, in these products, we are using all multiple vitamins, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, glucosamine, hyaluronic acid, the aromatic oils, the cleanser with the salicylic acid and the glycolic acid, and every the best product which has been used by step. And the niacinamide, which is a really a very good product nowadays. The alpha arbutin is there for fairness and all. So in this pouch you will get the 100% result along with your treatment, and let's follow a step by step part, and the toxics which are deposited under the pores. So we not only close the pores, we clean the upper layer of that layer, which is stratum corneum, which is accumulated more and more of the melanin is on that. So just it will remove that, which try to take that. So the cleansing comes in 2 parts. One is a cleansing one, and another is dermabrasion, exfoliation. So these 2 things, when is done by a proper chemical product and proper aromatic product as well, and a proper technique, that is we are following a lymphatic drainage steps also, so we get a wonderful results. So cleansing is very important. Once you do the cleansing, of course the skin has become little cleansing and it is little acidic. So 3rd step, when we comes out, we have to better neutralize it. Neutralizing by a very natural, fresh, juicy products, that should be fruits and some very freshly product which can make a toning effect. So the Hydra facial is a facial which is deep within. It is not, I mean, you are doing with the external procedure also, but it is coming out with the internal results also. So when we do this sprays with fruits and fresh shower, it makes your skin little fresh, and it becomes toning. I mean, all the pores which you have taken up and you have taken out all the dirts and clogged things, then you make it neutral. Then the 4 steps come in that. In this facial we do putting all that peptides, hyaluronic acids, serums, active ingredients, multiple vitamins, alpha arbutin, all that products which are anti-aging, which are anti-inflammatory, which are really when we use aloe vera, glucosamine, that is a moisturizing. We are putting products inside your skin with the help of ultrasonic or what the rays is there. So we are forcing the things, and we are dealing all that moisturizing agents, and they are taken care by the skin. The treatment is ultrasonic we are doing, and then we are putting the products as well. So it gives a miraculous, definitely a very majestic results. So that serums which are using makes a skin supple and little, I mean, it becomes juicy, it becomes the skin takes the food. And then we comes on 5th step, that is RAF, means reverse aging factor. And in that, light is there. If that machine is used with the light, it becomes a very combination. We are taking a light as well as the RAF. It also rejuvenate our muscles in such a way with the massage technique and the product, both hand in hand. I'll say the machine does its part, but what machine is giving, what machine is enforcing, the product should be appropriate for that. Then RF, in that we are putting so good products in that. And one more thing in our from cleansing to end one, the nicotinamide, the alpha-arbutin, the hyaluronic acid, and which are pampering the skin as well. When we use apply some peels, s- along with that we have to take care of the skin as well, that there should be a skin moisturizing agent also in this Hydra filter. That I'll say one more thing is very important, that there's no downtime. What mean is the downtime means when we do apply peelings, then the skin start getting fading, it start removing, and the skin becomes 3 days, 4 days, 5 days you have to be in house, and you're not going any extra activity. But in a hydrofacial, at the same time the skin is being taken care of. We put lots of things which are marine used, which are glucosamine, and with the all hyaluronic acid and all aloe veras, all peptides, active ingredients, multivitamins, they are taken care with the machine. So this is a really cleansing to toning to giving the skin more of diet, more of healthy, the moment, the massage, the technique with the machine plus the product, they comes under in a very good thing, and the skin gets heals, reflection of toning as well, glowy. And since you are getting so much of good, like if I talk about a hyaluronic acid, it is a really boom for the skin. The skin gets a smoothie, juicy. If you feel there is a water loss, it becomes very less glowy, less shine, and it will look dry. But when we are all our products are being used, like all amino acids are being used with the help of the machine, the skin comes out in a very, very good texture. And since the nanotechnology is there, since all these products are being scientifically approved, and the aromatherapy products are there, then all these products are there, and the technique and massage is there, and we are taking care of machines, so it comes out a very beautiful facial. After RAF, definitely the skin, since we are doing a very deep cleansing, we have to take the skin towards very cool, soothe and calm. So when we can go for the cooling facial mask, that way we apply algae mask. And algae mask is itself gives it is from the marine drive, and it gives the skin very cooling temperature, so it soothes the skin after giving such a good treatment. Because after all we are using the machine, and whatever machine you use, it gives the heat things, it gives the little irritation sometime, or some, of course you are dealing with the machines, then the pack will combat all the things. And we can also use a cold compressor also with the machine, also with the icing, whatever you want to feel with your skin, it has to be done with little cooling process. And the pack is moisturizing agent as well. When we apply algae mask, it's such a beautiful experience. And after algae mask, then we, of course, we apply a serum. And serum is just not a serum, it is definitely a that UV rays sun protection factor along with that, and skin is being taken care of that. But I will suggest, if you get a hydrofacial, definitely 1 week you should little care, because you have gone for deep cleansing, you have gone for all machine part and all massages technique and the products as well. Now the skin is very clear, the skin has done, very neat way, the all cleansing part has been done. So now 1 week at least you have to take care of every day. There should be home care according the product which is having, which is really soothing your skin, not just a normal one. It should be a very good product which contains hyaluronic, which contains niacinamide, and which contains glucosamine, all that. So that is hydrofacial. And if somebody asks